Okay? That is your drop leg Lachman test or your modification number 3. So, this time, ang inyong kamot is aride sa lateral side. So, kung sa lateral side, ano yung mga structure? Ano? Louder. Kung tibian yung medial, anong sa inyo yung lateral? Tibial. Wala na guys, hindi ko magambal wrong. 1, 2, 3, go again. Okay. Next, please. Sige. Lachman. Modification 4. The patient lying supine, examiner stabilizes the foot between the examiner's thorax and arm. Both hands are placed around the tibia. The knee is flexed. Flexed to 20 to 30 degrees. Banta lang guys. And an anterior drawer movement is performed. So, medyo relax ha. Then, okay, go. Okay, so bali guys, ang inyong force is anterior. Okay? Okay na na. Again, modification 4. Ipto ng leg ni patient. Then, surround sa tibia. Slightly flex, 20 to 35 degrees of knee flexion, then anterior. Force. Okay? Okay. Next, modification 5. Lean. Examiner stands beside the leg to be tested with the eyes level with the knee. The examiner grasps the femur with one hand and the tibia with the other hand. The tibia is pulled forward and any abnormal motion is noted. Here, medial, then pull. This is your modification number 5. Okay? So, again, modification 5, supine, femur, stabilize, anterior stress sa may tibia lang. Move. Move. Okay? Sige. Next. Lachman test, mod 6. Prone. Prone Lachman test. Patient lies prone. Examiner stabilizes the foot between the examiner's thorax and arm. And places one hand around the tibia. The other hand stabilizes the femur. Mani. O mani. Pagwa. Then, dirita ma-apply. Downwards. Since ang inyong femur is stabilized naman. Stabilized naman siya sa bed, right?
Yeah.
Left. Okay. Sorry guys. So, ang inyong stress diin, medial or lateral? Medial gyapon. Guys, hindi ka mo guys magsala. Kay permi ka mo gasala sa medial, lateral, right and left. So, dapat put in mind gid. Medial, then push downward. Okay? Okay.
Question. Visible man again kung bisang translation for posterior view.
Yes. Ma-feel mo siya actually. Ma-feel mo siya. Sige. Modification 7.
Hasta 25.
7. 7. Yung meaning 7 kay no touch. Sige. Please supine the walking. Patient lies supine with the knee over the examiner's forearm so that the knee is flexed approximately 30 degrees. So, matabo ka guys. Okay? And then, ang inyong, wait, sorry, move to the next, medyo